the immortals.
What's up traders? Immortal Trader here. I have been hiding. I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I've been very busy. Yeah, let's just jump into it. I'll just do a quick one here. I don't want to waste much of your time as usual. Last time I spoke, the market was somewhere here, I think like 2 weeks ago, and I said we're still going to continue moving to the bearish side until we break certain levels. So if the market currently, guys, it's very, I can say it's unstable. So it's not really easy to say, okay, if the market pulls back to this area, then we'll buy, and then the market continues to move, it will pull back to this area, and then we'll buy. The sentiment right now, it's very unstable. There's COVID-19, there's the war between Russia and Ukraine, between Russia and everybody else. Yeah, and so many factors are coming into play. But let's just jump into it. What am I anticipating this coming week? I think we'll still continue to move to the downside, um, unless we see certain structures being broken. So if we take out, let me just jump to the daily so that I can show you this. If we take out this level, probably take out this level, the red level right here, yeah, then that level. So if we take out this level, retest it, then the trend has changed. Like it's now forming higher highs, and the market trend structure has changed. So those are things that I'll be looking forward to seeing before I enter the market. I usually buy indices, I don't short them. So I'll be anticipating to seeing my price breaking certain levels, pulling back maybe to this area and then going long. So price showing me that it's the bulls are coming in, and price pushing back to that area, and I'll choose to go long. Or price breaking this level right here, retesting it, then I'll go long. I'm sorry you can't see this, guys, but you get what I'm trying to say. Also, what I am strongly, how can I say this, something that I think is going to happen. Remember, guys, I'm just making assumptions here. So what I think is going to happen is price is going to continue moving downwards. So we're going to maybe break certain levels, not easily. We might range a bit, then a break of this level right here, then another push to the downside. um if you look at this, then let me just do this. If you look at this, yeah, that's taking us to somewhere between mid March, you see. So I think that's where we'll be heading towards till mid March. We'll be heading towards the downside, a break of certain structures. Probably market might even hold this area, but till like mid March or early April, that's when we might now starting to see whether the bulls can take over the market and push upwards. But currently, the market sentiment is unstable. You don't know who's really in control, whether it's the bulls or the bears. But currently, the bears have been dominant. The bulls are really not showing in their strength right now, because if you compare previous levels, how they were tested, to now, you see that the bulls quickly pushed the market upwards, and it was like strong bullish candles. So like 1 2 3 4, then market moves like bullish candles, like bullish candles. So we had another bullish candle. So right now we have strong bearish candles. We have some strong bullish candles here forming up, but it's just going to range because it's still unstable right now. That's all I can say. But yeah, I'm anticipating price to continue move to the downside. So until certain levels are taken out, I repeat, this level right here, this level right here, this level right here, for now I won't be going long until these levels are taken out. So I'm seeing price continuing to move to the downside. So a break of this structure right here, a retest of it back to this area, another range, maybe a break of certain structure, then back probably down to whatever, because currently we are at, I think this is like 14% if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, probably 20 to 25 makes kind of sense. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised if we have a 21 or a 20% correction. Yeah, so guys, that's it. I think it's the same for the US 100. I am anticipating the same thing. If we don't break certain structures, uh, then I will still be bearish, although I don't short. Until we break and retest certain structures, that's when I will decide to go long. Gold, I can't really say much. I think price should pull back down to this area, but prices pulling back down to this area means that things are now okay, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. So gold might just range somewhere here, or it might just take out certain levels, probably retesting that area. That's what I think. Euro USD is the same thing. I think a pullback probably to certain structures, this level or this level right here, then down back to this zone. Yeah, but don't be greedy when setting your targets. So if you
the personal guard to King Xerxes himself, the Persian warrior elite, the deadliest fighting force in all of Asia, the Immortals.